What's going on, everybody? Hope all is well. So here is my eye-powered seed starter kit with the humidity dome that I am using. I just took it off to make the video, and I'm using my LED Fairy Boars grow light. These seeds have been in here for just over a week and doing extremely well, and I really love the Fairy Boars LED grow light. Now, I did unfortunately forget the name of these cucumber seeds and these tomato seeds, which I will be throwing the name up on them right now. So here's the name of these these cucumbers, and then here's the name of these tomato seeds. Now, these tomato seeds are the super sweet 100s. These took a little longer to germinate than I'm used to, but all in all, they're doing well for the most part. So here's what the humidity dome and the LED grow light look like. Now, I just put the humidity dome and then the grow light right on top of the dome, the humidity dome, just because it's closer to the seeds. You don't want your grow lights being too far, because then your seeds or your plants are going to have to stretch for light. So it's easier just to keep it close. Now, I will, since I love this light so much, I will be buying another one. And what I'm going to do is, once these all get taken out of here, I'm going to reuse this and just put these into some cups or bigger pots and put them on a heat mat. And then I'm just going to get another light and put closer to them. And then I'm going to do the same thing again with the next batch of seeds that I will be growing in here. But I don't think I'm going to use the humidity dome. I'm going to try something different out. So I'll show you a video of that when the time comes. So that being said, as always, thank you for watching.